Having trouble with texts on your Straight Talk iPhone? You're not alone. This section explains why iMessage and SMS delivery sometimes fail. Straight Talk as a prepaid MVNO operates on major networks like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, but compatibility issues with Apple's ecosystem can arise. iMessage uses Apple's servers for data-based messaging, showing blue bubbles. SMS and MMS rely on carrier networks, showing green bubbles. Problems often occur when iMessage fails to activate or deactivate correctly, or when APN settings are misconfigured. Ensure your device is registered with Apple via your phone number and iCloud. Straight Talk requires specific APN configurations like VWIMS or AUT-MVNO for MMS and data routing. Incorrect APNs can block multimedia texts. The networks Straight Talk uses are Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, as shown in these coverage maps. Let's get your texting working. Start with basic troubleshooting. Restart your iPhone and toggle airplane mode on and off. Restart your iPhone and toggle airplane mode on and off. Next, reset your network settings via Settings General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. If that doesn't work, check your APN settings. Straight Talk has updated its app, version 4.2 as of August 2025, to include in-app diagnostics for messaging issues. Use this tool to check and update your APN settings. For iMessage activation problems, waiting for activation errors, ensure you have a stable data connection. You can also try disabling Wi-Fi calling. If problems persist, contact Straight Talk support for a SIM swap. Recent iOS updates like iOS 18.5 have improved iMessage reliability, so ensure your iPhone is up to date. If nothing works, consider eSIM. As of 2025, Straight Talk has been rolling out eSIM options that cut setup errors by 50%.